Hi and welcome to this Design Room 1 video on automatic publishing of designs. We will in this video concentrate on the usage. We will look at three aspects of the usage. First, how to start working with a model that are under source code control. Secondly, how to save changes so that they become automatically published. And last, how to handle eventual multi-user issues. So let us jump straight into the demo. First, we will look at how to start working with a model that are under source control. In order to work with a source controlled project, we have to import it. We do that with File, Import, and in the next we select Git and Projects from Git. We clone an existing repository, type in the host name of the remote repository server, a path to the repository. In this case, I will use the HTTP protocol. That means that we need to give a username and password. We also have to select what branch to use. Select all standard options. After this, open the Git perspective. We have to make one small change to the fetch ref mapping. We delete the one that was automatically created and we add a new one. Just type M for master if that's the branch we're using. And save. Switch back to the modeling perspective and check the model that we now have ready for use. Next thing we will look at is how to save changes so that they are automatically published. Let's introduce a change. In this case, just add a class. Save. Now we have to save this to the repository. So change perspective to Git. Check the Git staging tab. There we can see that we have unstaged changes. Drag that into the stage changes. Type in a commit message. In this case, my first commit. Click commit and push. We can move to Design Room 1, refresh, and check the result. Your changes has been published. Lastly, we will look at how to handle multi-user issues. In this case, when I add a third class, save and stage it for Git, and then do a commit and push. We can see that we get a rejected non-fast forward message. That means that someone else might have done changes that we need to look at. So what we first need to do is to go to Team, Fetch from Upstream. This means that we are asked if we want to download the commits from another user. Once that is done, we can use the compare with and compare with a branch, and we check our remote tracking branch. We can see that there are 3 changes, 1 change that you did, and 2 changes that another user has done. They have added a class. We can also see that they have added a symbol in a diagram. But we can also see that there are actually no conflicts, so it's quite straightforward to merge these changes. In order to merge, we select Team and Merge. We do a closer merge. Select to merge the remote tracking. We don't commit yet. And we see that the merge was completed with status merge not committed. So let us commit this by going to the Git perspective. The merge is staged and we just type in a commit message. Then press commit and push. Click OK. Now let's check Design Room 1. Here we can see that the current model is what our colleague had done, so we refresh. You can see that we now have both the class 3 that we added and the class added by colleague that our colleague added. That's all for this video. For more information, please visit the DevOps community.